just yesterday that I am going to fly with the Blue Angels on Tuesday.
All right, we are cleared for takeoff. And we are airborne.
For me, it's a great opportunity to have another point of connection with my students because their families, some of their moms and dads are flying every day with the U.S. Navy or supporting fighter jets, and it's a great opportunity for me to connect with them in a unique way.
And there you have it.
Hey, that's amazing. Gorgeous.
It's certainly different than my day job. I know it shows me a lot about the work that men and women in the Navy do, and it really gives me a newfound respect and admiration for Navy pilots and all those connected to the Navy. I don't know. Well, I could go back up for sure, but I think I'll leave it as a once-in-a-lifetime experience. It was a real challenge, and I admire the work that Navy pilots do because of that.